Pause for a moment and listen carefully. If you entered the crypto market believing this was a fast track to getting rich, then there is a very real chance you were misled from the very beginning. I am not saying this to scare you, I am saying this because it is the truth. Crypto does not hate you, but it has absolutely no mercy for ignorance. Every single day, thousands of people enter this market full of hope, and they leave with empty accounts. Not because they are stupid, not because they are lazy, but because no one was willing to tell them the truth. Today, I will do exactly that. Crypto is one of the most powerful financial innovations the world has ever seen. It is bold, it is disruptive, it challenges traditional systems that have existed for decades. But let me be very clear about something. Power without understanding is dangerous. Innovation without education leads to destruction. And that is exactly what we see happening again and again in this market. Too many people confuse speculation with investing. Too many people believe success comes from finding the next big coin, the next hidden gem, the next insider tip. And that belief is the single biggest reason most people fail. Because markets do not reward hope. Markets reward preparation, discipline, and responsibility. I am not here to tell you which coin to buy. I am not here to give you signals. I am not here to promise fast profits. I am here to talk about crypto investment done the right way. Because if you are not responsible with your money, the market will be responsible for taking it from you. The crypto market does not care who you are. It does not care how many videos you watch, how many experts you follow, or how confident you feel. The market only reflects supply, demand, and human psychology. When prices rise, people become greedy. When prices fall, people become afraid. This cycle has repeated itself throughout financial history, and crypto simply compresses it into a faster, more intense experience. That is why direction matters. That is why you need a compass. And that is exactly what the crypto compass represents. Not a promise of wealth, not a fantasy of overnight success, but a framework to help you navigate uncertainty with clarity and build discipline when emotions begin to take control. A responsible crypto investor understands one fundamental truth. Protecting capital is more important than chasing profits. Gains mean nothing if you cannot survive losses. And losses are not a possibility in crypto, they are a certainty. The question is not whether you will experience drawdowns, but whether you are prepared for them. Preparation starts with understanding what you are investing in. If you cannot explain a project in simple terms, you should not invest in it. If you do not understand how value is created, distributed, and sustained, then you are not investing. You are guessing. And guessing is not a strategy. Responsible education is not about telling people what they want to hear. It is about telling them what they need to hear. It means talking about risk even when risk reduces excitement. It means slowing people down when the crowd is speeding up. It means reminding them that every decision has consequences. There are many voices online that want you to depend on them, depend on their predictions, depend on their confidence, depend on their certainty. But true education does the opposite. It builds independence. It teaches you how to think critically, how to ask questions, and how to say no when something feels wrong. The real winners in crypto are rarely visible. They are quiet. They are patient. They focus on process, not applause. They understand that wealth is built over time, not in a single cycle. And most importantly, they survive long enough to benefit from experience. This is where crypto investment becomes a mindset, not a gamble. We do not chase noise. We do not follow the crowd. We choose direction. That is the philosophy behind the crypto compass. A commitment to thoughtful crypto investment, disciplined crypto investment, and responsible crypto investment. Not for hype, not for ego, but for the long journey ahead.